bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
To address a bad fuel pump, consider a few potential solutions. Firstly, check the fuel pump fuse and relay. If they're faulty, replacing them can be a simple fix. For a clogged fuel filter, replacing the filter can improve pump performance. However, if these steps don't solve the issue, the fuel pump itself may need to be replaced. It's important to diagnose the problem accurately to avoid unnecessary replacements. For complex issues, consulting a professional mechanic is advisable.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.